From years of working with agents, I've discovered one thing that is consistent with almost all of the people that I work with. You are busy being all things to all people at all times. You probably only operate in two periods of time, now and not now. And you're really good at the now. The problem is that all of the different models that are there to help support you focus on creating more work for you, not less. So you don't need more hype. You need a calm weekly rhythm that wins with consumers. Entrepreneur Addict for Agents replaces gimmicks with consumer-first coaching, practical tools, and a referral engine that's going to deliver aligned conversations. I want you to have a comfortable, calm weekly rhythm where you feel in control. So we're going to start every Monday with what's called the Detox plan. It's a one-pager that you fill out that covers 4 key lenses: yourself, your business, your clients, and your family. It's designed to help you set priorities and create healthy boundaries for yourself. Every week, we also run something called The Clinic. It's lessons built from what consumers actually say to me when I talk to them, and boy, do they have a lot to say. I'm gonna help you understand how to communicate with them best, how to talk to them about certain difficult conversations like price, compensation, and expectations, and give you actual collateral that you can use instantly. And midweek, we all get a little low, so we're gonna give you a dopamine boost. Every Wednesday, it's a live working session that within 30 minutes, all of us come together and do 3 human check-ins with 3 simple digital signals to connect to people in a way that most of us just aren't. It is going to focus on real humanistic, genuine connection. Plus, we're going to add in the EA referral engine. This is where buyers and sellers meet with me first, and when they're ready, I give you a warm, aligned introduction for you to take and help them only the way that you know how. So what do you gain? You're gaining clarity, consistency, confidence, and conversations that start on the right foot. If this feels like the right path for you, click here and enroll today.